Hello everybody, today I'm going to show you a paper cup glider and it works on the Magnus Effect. So do you know what do you need to make this paper cup glider? So you need two cups, glue or tape to connect the two cups together, and lots of rubber bands to make. Then you have to knot them all together to make one big one to wrap around the base. And you have to do it like this, and when you release it will move. So let's find out the working principle on it. Working principle. So let's learn about the forces, effects and result. Force, lift. An effect on the lift, upward force, and the result is helps the glider go up. Force, weight or gravity. Effects, downward force, and result pulls the glider towards the ground. Thrust. Force is thrust. Effect, forward force, and result helps the glider move forward. And drag, air resistance. Effect is opposing force, and the result is slowing down the glider. It goes like a flying machine. So Magnus Effect. The spinning motion of the glider creates sideways force that makes it curve or bend in the air, adding an extra element of fun to its flight. So it goes like a flying machine. Imagine that you will have two big paper cups, connect them and have one big rubber band, tie it around, and it will go onto the moon. Maybe one day we'll have something like that. So So I'll show you how it works. So we have to wind this big rubber band, and we have to wind the big rubber band around around the cup. Then you have to do like this, and then it will move. It will fly in the air, going to launch like that. So the more you pull, the more further it will go. Like in the video shown above. Hope you enjoyed it. I'll be back with more interesting projects. Bye!